205-2, take 2, Mark. We are gonna be doing the staple gun roulette trick on Fremont Street tonight. And I'm really nervous about this because I may end up in the hospital. I have been rehearsing this quite a bit, and so far it's been good, but we kind of don't have very many chances to mess up with this. So if this goes bad, it could end very bad. So yeah, I don't know. This is gonna be interesting how this turns out. So yeah, so basically I'm just gonna I'll just walk through a little bit of it.
Oh wait, they're right here. Oh, there's staples in there. Oh my gosh, who did that? Can you imagine if I just, wow.
So basically, I'm gonna start out with 4 staple guns, one of which I'll have them load staple gun with staples. Oh my God, why is it not going?
I think this one. Perfect. Now, close it. I'll place them in this bag. 1, 2, 3. Go like that. Yeah, we're good. So then I'll fire I'll be like, here, check this out. I have this picture of myself, blah, blah, blah. And then I'll fire it in the wood. I'll be like, is that real? You can feel that. That's for you to keep. They can take that home. And hopefully, I'm not in the hospital. So, yeah, all right. Got 4 industrial staple guns here. All right, I'm just gonna show you that these are empty.
Yep.
Just like that. Just like that. I have some staples here. Could I get you to pick one out for me?
Me?
Yeah, just pick one out. That one? Okay, perfect. Hold on to that for me. Can you load the staple gun for me? Put the prongs facing up. Perfect. I'm gonna close that just like this. The staple guns are gonna go in this bag. And I'm gonna mix them up so that way neither of us know where the loaded gun is. Can you hold on to this for me? I want you to hold on to that and just kind of shake it up a little bit. Perfect. And then, could you reach inside? I want you to reach in and grab one that you feel is empty. You feel like that one's empty? Can you place the bag down? On 3, I want you to fire that staple gun, okay? Face it this way. I want you to pull the trigger on 3, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Go.
No.
completely empty. Completely empty. Check this out. Reach in and grab one more. Reach in and grab one more. No, we're good. We're good. That one. You feel like that one's safe? Go ahead. No, hold it up. Hold it up. On 3, fire it. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
No! Oh my God.
Okay, two left. Let's
go.
We got 50-50 chance. One of these is loaded. Pick out the one that you feel is empty.
Oh my God.
That one. The moment of truth. Let's go. 1. Hold it up. 1, 2, 3. That leaves us this last staple gun. Check this out. You can see this photo of me, right? Check this out. Is that real?
All right.
That's completely real.
Yeah.
That's for you to keep.
You almost shot the girl in the head.